Mom, what are you?
What?
What are you doing in the car?
I'm waiting for you.
It's not my truck.
It's not your truck. It is your truck.
It's not my truck.
What is it?
You're in the wrong car, Mom.
Whose truck is it? Oh my. Where is your truck?
It's behind you.